At All Pro Roof Stone Atlas, we provide dependable storm damage roof repair services in Allentown, PA, helping homeowners and businesses restore their roofs after severe weather. Whether your property has experienced minor storm damage or requires more extensive repairs, we are committed to delivering reliable workmanship and exceptional customer service. Call our storm damage roof repair team if you have any questions. Are you looking for storm damage roof repair near me? You can stop looking. You found the All Pro Roof Stone Atlas. What types of storm damage do you repair? At All Pro Roof Stone Atlas, we repair a wide range of storm-related roofing issues, including wind damage, hail damage, heavy rain damage, fallen tree branch impacts, flashing damage, roof leaks, missing shingles, and other structural roofing problems for residential and commercial properties in Allentown, PA. Should I repair storm damage immediately? Yes. Prompt repairs help prevent water intrusion, mold growth, structural deterioration, and more expensive roofing problems. Even minor storm damage can worsen over time if left untreated. What is your service area for Allentown, Pennsylvania? Our storm damage roof repair has helped clients in Allentown, Fogelsville, Trexlertown, East Texas, Westcosville, Emmaus, Ancient Oaks, Macungie, Albertus, Brennigsville, Shimerville, Zionsville, Mertztown, Maxitani, Lehigh County, Laurie's Station, Dorneyville, New Tripoli, Egypt, Schnecksville, Pennsylvania. Where is your storm damage roof repair in Allentown, Pennsylvania located? We are located at 429 Southwest Street, Allentown, Pennsylvania 18106. Our phone number is 484-806-0911. Visit our website, www.approofer.com/Allentown-PA.